Welsh hopes of a good start to the campaign vanished when they lost 2-1 in the Czech Republic. And things rapidly went from bad to worse, with a home hammering from Slovakia. But an improved performance against Cyprus saw Wales register their first points. And after defeat at Croke Park, Ryan Giggs and Gareth Bale stole the show against San Marino. And it was an emotional farewell as Giggs brought the curtain down on his international career in the draw with the Czech Republic.
Jansen's cross was a good one. A little too high in the end.
Well, however the Germans play, one thing that they've always done is kept the ball well. And they've certainly started off in that fashion today. Wales hardly let me touch in these opening minutes.
Robinson for Wales, one of those who missed the game against Bulgaria, as did Kumas, who lost out there, and it's played on by Karanyi, and it's in! Lovely finish by Klose. The big two up front for Germany, combining inside 5 minutes to produce the first goal of the game.
Fantastic combination play to make the chance, but that's where it all came from. Mistake in midfield. I said that Wales haven't had much possession, gave it away cheaply again, and then the two lads up front. Lots of caps, over 100 caps we've seen them, lots of goals, and that is a fantastic finish. No little backlift, instant finish outside the right foot, catching Wayne Hennessy before he can get set, really, right in the corner. Absolutely brilliant. And exactly the start Wales did not want, did not need. It's going to be a massive task for them now to get back in this game.
Hitzelsberger, Schweinsteiger. He's got away from the first challenge. Clever little ball as well. Karanyi tackled at a vital moment.
And here's the terrific tackle from Louis Nyatanga, out of position at this phase of play, but little lifted ball through, and he just about gets enough on that ball, so it's not a penalty. Terrifically timed, courageous.
Now Bale.
There's nobody in the box for him. Now they're getting there.
It's not a bad cross either. The first glimpse of goal for Freddie Eastwood.
He wasn't far away.
Schweinsteiger goes on another of those brilliant runs. That would have been some goal if he could have finished it off.
Well, he's showing a lot tonight, isn't he? Incisive passing, movement, and here, quick feet. Little backlift, terrific technique.
Hitzelsberger. It's a good ball by the former Villeman, but a good interception as well by Nyatanga. Now Bale has lost it here. It's number 2.
It's another mistake.
It's closer again.
Yeah, it's another mistake as well, Alan. And it's unfortunate as Gareth Bale that it doesn't make too many mistakes of that nature, but we talk about learning experiences, and you know, that is the harshest lesson and sometimes the most effective. You know, your mistake gets instantly punished. And Nyatanga does well here, spots the run, is in a good position. Then Bale just hasn't made his mind of what he's going to do with that ball. And look at that. Pinpoint cross. All he has to do is walk onto it, and it just hits him on the head. Bang. Goal. Hennessy, no chance. Terrific play once the mistake has been made.
Jansen slipped and still kept possession and still dug out a cross somehow. Karanyi's header closer. Look at a ball to smile. Miroslav Klose's 2 goals have given Germany a thoroughly deserved victory here in Cardiff tonight. At times, they taught Wales something of a football lesson. The gulf in quality between the two sides was evident almost from the start. Wales 0, Germany 2.